Welcome dear children to the Rajkumar College Rajkot Computer Science. This is Suchi Maheta. Welcome you all of you. Now we have already done with lesson 1 and 2, right? Yesterday we have seen the different differences between the devices, right? Now today we are going to see something different. Okay, we are going to learn other than what is there in your lessons. That is about the operating system and how you can create the different types of folders and icons in your computer. But before that, we have to understand about the different operating systems. Okay, so let us see what is an operating system. Operating system is nothing but a very important program of a computer. It is the main medium through which you can interact with hardware and software. Interact means you come in contact with and you use it. It controls all the activities of a computer, right? There are variety of operating systems like Windows, Linux, Unix. So many different operating systems, but from that we are going to see about Windows, right? Now in Windows you might have heard about Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows XP. So this all are the different operating systems of Windows, right? Um, it is each of the operating system have some of the other important features, right? Now why we will learn about little bit about Windows, because it is GUI based. It is graphical user interface, means a user can understand very easily by seeing the icons and everything that is given in Windows. User friendly environment where user is very convenient to use the Windows operating system. Now in this, what we are going to learn is about the desktop, about the icon, about the context menu, how to create a shortcut on the desktop, how to create a folder, how to save the file in the folder. Okay, now first screen. Whenever I start my computer, the first screen is always a desktop. Okay, whenever I start my computer, the first screen is desktop. You can see I've written in blue, in the blue screen it's written desktop. This whole blue screen is my desktop. I have started my computer and this was my first screen. Now what do you have on the desktop? You have different icons: start button, taskbar. Start button, again when you click on start button, a menu displaying the major option appears, right? These options provide access to the main program of a computer. Whenever you click on start button, so many different programs it suggests to you. If whatever you want to open, you just click on it, right? Taskbar. Taskbar, on the left hand side you have a clock, right? It shows you time. That area is called notification area. Sorry, right side of the computer is notification area, and then the left side you have a start button, right? Now in between you can see which are the windows, means which are the different applications which are open and minimized. So that is a taskbar. You can move the taskbar in all the four sides, but you cannot bring it in the center. Okay, taskbar you can move on all the four sides. Even you can lock the taskbar. If you don't want anybody to move your taskbar on the screen, you can do right click and lock it. Okay, now we will see about context menu. Okay, context menu means is whenever you do right click, okay, a pop-up menu appears. This is called context menu. Now context menu options will change according to the option you have done on the where you have done the right click. If you do right click on an shortcut, or if you do a right click on any icon, okay, the options will change. Here you can see the first option is view, short by, refresh, new. This is the option when I have clicked on any blank area. Okay, I have not clicked on any folder, or I have not right clicked on any file. I have done it on the blank area. At that time this context menu will come whenever you do right click. Now, how to create a shortcut? Okay, now before creating a shortcut, let us see what do you mean by shortcut. Okay, now a shortcut is an icon that provides an easy and quick way to open any application or software what we use frequently. Okay, in the lower left corner of the shortcut icon has a small jump arrow. Double clicking on the shortcut, the file will open or program is represented. Okay, now on the desktop I have an icon. Okay, I double click on it, it will open. So that is the shortcut, easy way. Okay, now when I'll show, I will explain you why it is easy to have a why we should have a shortcut on the desktop. Shortcut means the shortest way. If I'm finding somebody's home, okay, I'm searching somebody's house address I have, I know that there is another shortcut that I can reach fast within 2 minutes, and another road is there where I have to reach by 10 minutes. So I will use this from where I can reach fast, right? So that is a shortcut way. In the same way, there are shortcuts you can create on the desktop so that you can open the application very fast. You create the shortcuts only the program that you want to open it very frequently, right? So now I want to create an icon and shortcut of MS Word application. You might have seen MS Word application which last week madam has taught you, right? So I am going to create the shortcut of MS Word. Now how to do? You have to click on start button, then you have to click on programs. After clicking on all programs, you can see there is an option Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office Word 2007, there you have to do right click. Okay, now again this is called context menu, shortcut menu. You can see there are so many different options. The first context menu which I have seen, it was just view, short by, and new, and all options were there. Now here you can see the options are changed because I have clicked on one icon. Okay, you can see when I do right click on Microsoft Office Word 2007, right click is right side, okay, of your mouse. So right click you do on that icon, you can see create shortcut option is there. Create shortcut, when you click on this, automatically icon the shortcut will be created on the desktop. So let us see my shortcut is created or not. Yes, see, I have created the shortcut of MS Word. See, I have shown you with the arrow. So this is the way to create a shortcut. You can create a shortcut of any application that you want, you are using frequently. You want to open whenever you start, you work on mainly on that application more. So you can create a shortcut on the desktop. How to create a shortcut on the desktop? Do right click, click on start button, go and click on the application, right click, and just click on create shortcut. The shortcut will be created on the desktop. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to learn about how to create a folder. Okay, now first we will understand what is a folder and what is a file. Okay, now folder is the as we keep all our first we will understand about the file. Okay, file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device such as hard disk, CD, DVD, or pen drive. As we keep important papers in a file, similarly, any information in a computer is saved in a form of a file. Each file is given a file name which helps us to find the desired file. Okay, so I will show you even how to create a new file and how to save in the folder. Now, what is a folder? As we keep all our files in a file cabinet, similarly a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep all our relevant files. A folder can hold other folder as well. In a folder you can make another folder also, that is called subfolder, but just now we will learn only how to create a folder. So what is a folder? I can give an example. Folder is one box. In that box I put all my important documents. Okay, in that box I put all my important things. So that box is nothing but it is a folder. What is a file? File is a where you put all your information in it. Okay, I'll give an example. You have opened MS Paint. Okay, in that you have made a beautiful picture of your own house. Fine, so you save it. So it is a file. Now file you want to put in some important place, at one place. All your files you want to store in one place, so you make a folder. In that folder you put all your files. One more real life example I'll give you about file and folder. Suppose madam is giving you one worksheet. Okay, that is your file. Now you want to put that worksheet in one file. Okay, that is your folder. You, or there is a plastic folder, you put all your worksheets in that folder, right? So folder is nothing but it holds your all files, right? Now you can see this picture where you can see the drive. Okay, these are the different drives. From this I will select one drive where I want to make a folder. I have selected D drive. In D drive, in the blank area, you have to do right click and click on new and click on folder. After clicking on folder, you will get this type, new folder. Okay, you can name, you can change the name. I have changed it to the RKC form 4. Okay, this is the folder that I have created. Now I want to change the name of this folder. That is called renaming. Okay, mane I want to rename this folder. From the RKC form 4 I want to do the RKC. Okay, what I have to do? I have to just do right click on it and rename option is there. Just click on rename, change your name and click outside. The folder name will be changed. Now I want to open a file. You have already created a shortcut on the desktop. You do right click on it and click on open. Okay, after clicking on open, the file is open, the document is open. You make your document. See, this is I have made a file. Okay, hello, how are you? This is I have made a file. Now I want to save it. When I click on save, it will ask me in which folder you want to save. If you have made a folder, then you have to open that path. I have created my folder in new volume D drive. Okay, so I will open new volume D drive. In that I have created a folder, the RKC form 4. Now when I click on the save button, but before that there is a written file name. Okay, I have given the same file name, the RKC form 4. You can even change the file name. Whatever file name you want to put, you can change it and you have to click on save. After clicking on save, I'll show you. See, this is my folder, this PC new D drive. In this I have kept my file. see, you can see the RKC form 4.docx. So we have saved our file in the folder. So today we have seen what is an operating system, a very important part of a computer. There are variety of operating systems, Windows, Linux, Unix. Okay, in that we have seen in Windows based operating system, the first screen is always called desktop. Small labeled pictures are there, they are called icons. At the bottom of the desktop there is a taskbar. At the left hand side there is a start button. On the right hand side you have got notification area. Notification area means you get all the updates over there. And second, your clock is over there. Okay, it is on the right side. Then we have seen context menu. Context menu is also called a shortcut menu. Shortcut menu, if you click on the blank area, right click, then options that you will find are different. Same right click, if you do it on any icon, the options of that context menu will change. Then we have seen the folder. Folder is something that hold our important files. Okay, you have created 5 files, but you want all that 5 files in one particular box. So what you will do, you will collect wherever you have kept your all the 4 files and you will put it in one box. So that box is nothing but a folder. Okay, it is a place where you keep your all files in the computer. We have seen an example that you have that plastic folder. When madam gives you a worksheet, you immediately write your name and you put it in that folder, right? In the same way, in a computer also you can create a folder. Now how to create a folder is, you have to do right click, new folder, but you have to select on which drive you want to do, D drive, E drive, whichever drive you want to create a folder. You have to first open that drive, do right click, new folder. Listen properly, if you want to do folder, you have to do right click on a blank area. Okay, if you click on icon, if you do right click on an icon, new option will not come. Okay, so it should be a blank area. Then you open your MS Paint. Suppose you want to draw a picture and you want to save in your folder. So open MS Paint, draw a picture, save. Now you have made your folder in D drive. Then when it asks you to save, you can open the D drive, and in that you can change your name and save your file. So this is the 2-3 things that you have learned today, that is how to make a folder and how to save the file in the folder, what is a context menu, how to create a shortcut. Okay, I want to create a shortcut of MS Paint. Then what I will do, I will click on start, accessories, in accessories MS Paint program will come. You do right click on that MS Paint program and create shortcut. When you click on create shortcut, automatically the shortcut will come on the desktop. So thank you for today. Have a nice day.